Procedure 1. Step 1. First, attach the ground and positive wires into the desired area into the multimeter. Positive is red and goes in volts and ohms, and ground is black. Step 2. Put the battery into the battery holder. The battery holder is blue. Now put the red wire on the positive side and the black wire on the negative side. Step 3. Now turn on the multimeter and make sure the dial is set to V for volts. Now read the measurement of the battery. Log down the amount of volts into your data table. Step 4. Now that you have your measurements of the battery, you need to find the correlation of resistance on the current. Step 5. Now turn the dial to 400 milliamps and move the positive wire to the slot that indicates amps. The symbol for amps is indicated with a capital A, in this case, lowercase m, capital A. Set the circuit up like so. Step 6. You're going to check the measurement of the current setup. Step 7. Record the data on your table. Be sure to check what the units are at the end of the measurements. Example, if it says 0.7 milliamps, you should know that it means 0.0007 amps. Repeat steps 1 through 7, but each time you repeat the steps, either add another battery or change the battery so that the voltage changes, helping you test your hypothesis. Procedure 2. Step 1. First, attach the ground and positive wires into the desired area into the multimeter. Positive is red and goes in volts and ohms, and ground is black. Remember that we are measuring the resistance, so we must use ohms. So switch the dial to measure ohms, which looks like a horseshoe upside down. Connect the probes to a lone unconnected resistor on each side of the resistor. Step 3. Record the resistance in your table. Remember to always watch the multiplier at the end of the measurement. Then attach all the wires accordingly. Step 5. Now measure the current in the circuit. Remember to switch the place of the positive wire from volts and ohms to amps before measuring. Record your measurement in your data table. Once again, remember to check the multiplier at the end of the measurement. Repeat steps 1 through 6, but each time you repeat it, be sure to change the resistance or you will not be able to clarify if it was correct. And now, this is what you did not do in our experiments. Ta-da!